Take a ride in the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.